Hey, what's up, folks? Today, I'm going to be walking you through my guide to a perfect margarita. First things first, you'll need 2 ounces of good quality tequila, 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and a ½ ounce of agave nectar. Next, you'll want to fill your glass and your cocktail shaker with ice. Pop the top on it, shake it vigorously for about 20 seconds. Strain your cocktail over your glass of ice, garnish it with the lime wheel, and enjoy. There you have it, my guide to a perfect margarita.